Hi, welcome back to Diane's Video Minute. This is part 2 of the Save Current State on the Pfaff Creative Icon. So on the last video, I did a couple of more stitches here, so I am ready to go to show you how to do Save State. On the screen, when you turn the machine on, it's going to ask you or tell you your embroidery ended unexpectedly. Do you want to resume the embroidery? All you want to do is hit the OK. And then the next little message that pops up is that the embroidery arm needs to calibrate. All you want to do is say OK to that, and of course the unit will calibrate for you. Once that's in, it's all done calibrating, it does bring us back into our embroidery stitch out. So I want to do is going to go ahead and pop my hoop on, because we do want the same hoop here, okay? And here on the screen, all you want to do, the play button doesn't work here. So we just kind of have to reset it. So there's a little settings or a little wheel down here in the bottom left corner. All you want to do is you want to tap that, and that stitch out settings menu comes back up. All you want to do is hit OK, because we don't need to change anything. So we're going to go ahead and hit the OK here, okay? And now we're ready to go, actually. So I'm going to go ahead and hold that tail. I'm going to hit the play button, and it brought me right back to where I was. Give that little tug, pull that thread right out of the way, and now I'm actually ready to go to finish my design here. Thanks for joining me.